Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I look so fine. I know, thank you. Okay fam, this video is a 40 question challenge. A friend of mine challenged me during you. Thank you for challenging me for this video. So it's a 40 question and I already have the questions. She sent me the questions. So before I go further, I know I have a new set of followers or subscribers. Sorry, I have new people in this community of mine. So I want to use this video to say welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to put on your post notification, and also please, for my videos, any of my videos you watch, always give me thumbs up. Thank you guys, and for my old subscribers, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching all my videos. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. So let me go forward and not waste too much time. I'm reading the questions from my phone. Number one question says blue cheese. I don't think I'm a cheese person. Like, I don't like cheese at all, so I don't even know if they have different type of cheese. I just used to feel cheese is cheese and I don't like cheese, so I don't know what blue cheese is. Even on pizza, I don't like cheesy pizza. I like my pizza kind of dry. So next question says Coke or Fanta. Oh sorry, Coke or Pepsi. Coke, of course. If you've watched my get to know me videos, you know I'm a Coke addict. So Coke. Then in a relationship, guys, I'm married. I'm happily married. So whiskey, tequila, or vodka. I'm a whiskey person, if you know me. I love whiskey and brandy. Tequila, not that much. Once, yeah. Then hot dog or cheeseburger. I'll say cheeseburger. I don't like hot dog. Favorite food? I'll say, I don't know. I think I like pounded yam and let's say ogbono or pounded yam and vegetable. I'm trying to think. I like food, but then I don't know. Pounded yam and vegetable soup. Yep, that is not. It's not even something you can bargain, guys. I can eat swallow morning, afternoon, and night. I swear, I don't think I'm a rice person because I get tired. I can't eat rice morning, afternoon, and night. Nope. But I can eat swallow morning, afternoon, and night. Then anything swallow, I like it. Then what I drink in the morning. Oh, I don't know. I'm not a wake up, drink water kind of a person. Yeah, I drink water a lot, but not just immediately when I wake up. I don't think I really get that dehydrated after waking and just go drink water. Most times yes, but most times no. So what I drink in the morning, I don't know. Nothing. I can drink tea, coffee, anything I get. If it's water, fine. Then can you do 100 push-ups? Where? I cannot even do one to save my life. So that's out of the way. Favorite season? Guys, I'm in Nigeria, so the only season we got is dry or rainy season. So dry or rainy season, I think I'll prefer, I don't know, I'm indifferent. I really don't know, because dry season, when it's sunny, it gets very hot. At times when you even put on the AC, it takes forever for the AC to cool the full place, even in your car, especially when you leave the car in the sun. Maybe when you park the car somewhere that there's a lot of sun or it's exposed to sun a lot, and then you enter inside before your AC will cool the full car, cool your seats, cool everything. So I don't know. And then rainy season, although my area is good, but there are some places I can't drive to because my car is a big car. The last time I drove in water, it got spoiled. That I don't drive it once there is water on that area. I don't even let it touch my tire. So I don't know. I'm indifferent because even when you're walking, I hate going to the market rainy season. Trust me, it's irritating going to the market during the rainy season. So none of the season is for me. There's none. I don't have any favorite season. Anyone that just comes, I take it as it comes. Then favorite hobby. Should I say, I don't know how to dance, especially this new model Malian dance. I don't know how to dance. Well, I've said dancing. I really love dancing though, but I'm not an expert when it comes to dancing. I just like whining, shaky body. Then another thing, I'll say cooking, but at times these days it comes with my mood. So I don't know if I'll call it an hobby. The makeup, anything beauty, that's my hobby, baby. Anything beauty, I don't mind doing it. Anything that is beauty, I derive joy doing it. Even if as a business, I derive joy doing it. So tattoos, nope, I'm not a tattoo. Although I have like a microblading on, it's almost cleaning off. It's almost cleared off, so I don't know. So I don't have any tattoos on my body. I'm not against people that have it, but I don't just think I have the mind or strength to go through that pain. Or another thing is, I really don't like, I like being simple, plain. So having tattoos on me makes my body look too busy. So no. Then do you wear glasses? In that question, I don't know. Is it sunshades or medicated? I want to believe it's medicated. No, not really. I don't wear glasses, I'll say so. Phobias, guys. I feel my greatest fear in life is I'll say failure. Yeah, if I fail at anything, I usually feel so bad. So life, my greatest fear in life right now is being poor. Yep, that's just my greatest fear. I don't know how I'm going to cope. I'm already good. I'm already used to the baby girl life, so I don't know how I'm going to cope being broke. So next question, which is 14, number 14, nicknames. I used to have nicknames when I was a little. People used to call me baby. People used to call me my native name. They used to shorten it Imus. But for now, I don't think I have any nickname. Favorite candy? I'm not a candy person. Yeah, I like chocolates once in a while, but not something I just like. So I won't say I like candy. So instead of them, then believe in ghosts. Of course, I believe in ghosts. I believe in Holy Ghosts and every other ghost are counterfeit, but I believe in Holy Ghosts. Then biggest downfall. Biggest downfall. I can't think of any. MMM. I don't want to talk about that. But yeah, MMM. Rain or snow? I'll choose snow, although I've not experienced one. But I'll definitely choose snow. Piercing. Not really. I think I just got 2 on my ears. That's all. Age. Right. Well, I'm actually not the type that hides my age, but I'm actually not the type that samples as big, but I'm old enough. That's what you should know. So, next question. French fries or onion spring? French fries. Kids, yep. One amazing, beautiful daughter of mine. And Wala as well. Favorite color green and nude. Green, nude are mine. Then next question. Can I sing? Nope. My voice is very horrible, guys. I swear that you don't even want to hear me sing. Oh god. I'm the type of people that do this. How I think I sing and how I actually sing. Have you seen this kind of videos? I'm that type of person. Then can I whistle? Yes, I can. But not that loud, but yes, I can. Where was I born? Benin, of course, the ancient city, Benin City. Siblings, step, yep, but steps, yep. I have 5 or 4, well 5. I have 5 siblings. I have 5 siblings. Then can I cook? Yes, of course. Check me out. I grew up with an old woman, my grandmother. So why can't I cook? Can I swim? Yes, I'll say from 1 to 10. I'll rate myself a 3. At least I can move in water. That is what is important. Then, are you religious? Yes, of course. I'm a very religious person. I'm a Christian. And I also believe in manifestations. I'm all about my spirit being, my spirit life. Yep, I'm religious. Then shower or bath? I don't know. Then big city or nature? Nature here. Big city, of course, where you see lights, tall buildings, skyscrapers everywhere, fun places where to take pictures. Big city. If you want to see nature, go to my village. Then am I a good friend? Oh my god, guys, I really did not post my birthday vlog, but from the comments I got from my friends, guys, they gave some wonderful speech on my birthday. It was so wonderful. So I actually realized I'm a good friend. Not I think. I am a good friend from their testimonies. And if you're my friend watching this, please comment down below. Let me know what you think. Am I a good friend to you? Yes, I'm a good friend. Broken bones? None. TVs? Yes. Worst pain ever? Childbirth. No 2 ways about it. Do I like to dance? Like I said before, yes I do, but I'm not a great dancer, but I love to dance. Like camping? I don't think so. I've never gone. Oh, I've gone for camping, those church programs when I was still a teenager. Church campings. I said that I don't think I've been to any kind of other camping, and I would say no, I don't, because the comfort is not. You can't poo well in toilets. You can bath well in the bathrooms. Either the bathrooms are dirty or they're smelling or mosquitoes. No. Then am I weird? In some ways. In some ways I'm not. In some ways I might be. I don't know. tag 6 people. Okay guys, so I think that's the end of this video, and I'm going to be tagging 6 people. First of all, I'm going to be calling on Layefa. I can't call on Joyo because she tagged me. I'm going to be tagging Layefa Beauty. I'm also going to be tagging Candy Rap or Candy Abbott. Candy Abbott. I'm also going to be tagging Bumi O. Who else? We should have my friends on YouTube. I don't know. But yep, those are the people I'm tagging. So guys, go follow Joy Hero if you're not following her already. She has amazing content on our YouTube channel, guys. So go follow her, subscribe to her channel as well. I want to say thank you guys for watching my video, and if you're not yet subscribed, guys, please, I beg you, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I want to get monetized this year. So guys, please subscribe, and don't forget to always give me thumbs up on my videos. Put on your post notification for all the new videos I'm going to be posting. So guys, if you love this video, comment down below. If you have any other questions you want to ask me, comment down below. I might be doing another question tag, but this time it might be questions from my subscribers and from my followers on Instagram and on Facebook. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I love you.